Is your head pounding from all that coughing? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First up, grab some over-the-counter pain relievers. Ibuprofen or acetaminophen are your new best friends. But wait, there's more. Time for some hot and cold action. Apply a warm compress to your forehead or a cold pack to your neck. It's like a spa day for your aching head. Now channel your inner Zen master. Take deep breaths or strike a yoga pose. Who knew headache relief could make you look so cool? For the finale, give yourself a mini massage. Your shoulders, neck, and scalp will thank you. Just don't get carried away and fall asleep. There you have it. Your head pressure doesn't stand a chance. Now go forth and conquer that cough.